What's going on? What's going on? It's your boy Terry Loaded. It's time. It's time. Back at it again with another banger video. You already know what it is. You already see by the title what's going on. I'm going to attempt to do a cooking video for y'all. Like, I have no patience to cook and film at the same time because I gotta focus because I don't play about my food. I need to focus on what I'm doing. So I'm going to attempt to try this. So make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe because y'all gotta watch y'all boy. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the Reloaded Gang. And if you already part of the Reloaded Gang, you already know what to do. Smash the motherfucking like button. These are my products that I just got from Instacart. We cooking pasta. I'm not gonna record literally everything, like I'm not showing y'all, but I'm just gonna like, basically, I'm gonna show y'all now. This is everything now. I'm gonna show y'all after, you feel me? So first of all, before you do anything, you need to wash your hands. You gotta wash your mouth. What's the first thing you ever cook? Huh? What's the first thing you cook? Yeah, that's much. Yeah, I think I made that in culinary class. Yeah, y'all can have culinary. I was not gonna take that one in class. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna get back to y'all once I get everything in the pot. Because I need to get that together. I cannot be talking to y'all. I have to get it, I have to get the pot together. The mother lord of the mother shrimp, you feel me? You gotta defrost your shrimp, you gotta peel the shrimp. I know I told the Instacart lady to fucking wing unpeeled shrimp. This lady done brought me shrimp that I gotta peel. You need more work to do. Why would she do that? Now I gotta peel shit.
Black no boy. Don't play with me, boy.
That her nigga. Oh. Cut up the chicken. Then
it doesn't matter if you burn it, nobody gives a fuck. Why do people rob it?
this man. I'm recording, Ralph.
Alright.
But y'all, let's talk. Let's chat. Let's talk about some shit. Let's talk.
Blur.
Who's that, Ashley?
Yep.
Blur.
What's up, Ashley?
Yeah, it's for YouTube.
I'm vlogging.
Yeah, not Alfredo.
No, it's not. I wanted to do the lasagna.
I didn't know you on it.
Alright, y'all. So let's chat real quick. A lot of y'all like, where's the girlfriend? Where's the girlfriend? Where's the girlfriend? I'm not about to just bring any girl to this channel. Yeah, there's a lot of people that I start talking to. There's a lot of females that I really was fucking with, but it's like I observed them before I bring anybody to my social media and introduce them to my claim, my kids, cause y'all my kids. You feel me? I gotta make sure they're the right person for me. That shit's dead. Feel me? That's dead. Y'all gonna look at me like, oh, Terry's a oh. I'm not bringing all these females to y'all. I need that one special girl. Because once I find that one special girl, I'm getting married. Get that? I'm getting married in 2 years. For real, for real. I'm definitely getting married in 2 years. Cause it's like, why bring a temporary girl to my channel if that's not going from the people for real? That's like a waste of time. I'm capping, Serge. I'm capping, Serge.
Bro, let me out of here, bro.
Just answer the question, you dumb bitch.
Oh, I'm hungry as hell, bro.
Hurry the fuck up.
Damn.
Damn, bro.
Rob, can you stop the camera real quick and start over?
Yeah, is he cooking for us, y'all?
Really a lover boy for real.
Nobody cares.
I'm really a lover boy.
Nobody cares.
I can't be like Serge. Yeah, shut your mouth now, bitch. I can't be like Serge. I want an actual girlfriend. I don't want to just.
Why you
sleep.
said like Serge? What the fuck?
I don't want to just sleep around.
I'm fucking single.
Yeah, he's single.
Then why you
Every
put-
time you talk to a girl,
Then why you put me on blast on YouTube like that? I ain't no hoe.
I just want to be. I don't want to just sleep around. I want to actually.
Hurry up.
Get about my
Get my
kitchen.
mother.
Tell him to hurry up.
Get about my kitchen.
Yo.
Go. Alright, y'all.
Saucisse.
Cutting my chicken and my shrimp, and I'm about to season anything. Cause once I find that actual girl that I can take serious, post on my channel, post pics with, go on vacations with, it's a wrap. Literally.
Actually, not good.
And I want a girl who accept me for me. Like I don't gotta change. Like I don't want a girl who's like, oh my god, he do the wig bag, she does the wig. I want a girl who accept me for me. I'm pouring my heart out to my subscribers. It's hard nowadays to find a girlfriend because like you don't know who's really for you. There's a lot of these girls that really like mess with you for what you got and not who you are. Yeah, that's the shrimp. Can't lose that sauce because I need to keep some. For a man who can cook, you feel me? I'm about to take these glasses off so I can cook. But y'all get what I mean. Get y'all somebody.
You took them glasses off not to see?
Yeah, you can see that guy. So until then, y'all not seeing me. Well, until I know for a fact she's for me and she's not for the internet, y'all not seeing me post no girl on my YouTube channel. And I'm gonna be real with y'all. If y'all do see me post a girl on my YouTube channel and it's fast, if it's 2 months after this, that ain't my girl for it. It might be, but I ain't my girl for it. Because
So you got a girl in mind?
do I have a girl in mind?
You said 2 months from now, so you must have a girl in mind.
No, I don't have a girl in mind. I met a few new females
Yeah.
that I'm conversating with, getting to know.
Playing in my face.
I ain't white.
You can't say that.
I said what I said. I'm not white.
Oh my, and you said it again.
I'm not white. Gotta make sure my chicken is seasoned. Make sure it's seasoned. 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 Y'all don't kill me. But not. Oh. Did my Instacart come?
Watch him burn the food.
They now started. I'm not burning the food. I know what I'm doing now.
I hope so. You gonna make these?
Yeah. Should I? Or is it?
I'm gonna eat them. That's what I'm saying. You ain't making. That
You
look
gonna
like
eat
too
them
much
like
meat.
that?
No, I look like I eat raw stuff.
I was about to say.
I like this little fall setup you got going on. Like,
Yeah.
yeah, I like it. Yeah. The setup is giving fall.
I don't got the decorations up, but I got the lights.
Yeah.
Is he stepping in his shit, Caleb?
No, he's not. He's just laying down to the side.
Alright, y'all. I didn't want to record the rest, but this is the finished product. Let me turn on the light. This is the finished product, y'all. Now we about to eat grapes. You feel me? And then I got the garlic bread over here. BK, let me know this gang know what's up.
Food so good.
Shut up!
It's what?
Shut up! Shut
It's
up!
what?
What did I say? Say shut up, right?
I'm waiting for you to say.
Man, it's so big.
Stop feeding, gotta feed my people.